Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use canvas for borders on CapCut PC. Select the white stock video first and then freeze frame it. You can select any color that you want, but I'm just going to then make the duration longer. It doesn't have to be a white stock video, it can be like a random picture as well. Resize it. I'll actually move it down and then scroll down until you find canvas, and then you're just going to go to style, and then you're just going to select the background that you want for the frame. For instance, like this one or this one, it's up to you. Oh, this one's pretty cute. Or again, anything that you want to use. Then I'm just going to right click and I'm going to select create compound clip, go to mask and select rectangle and invert it. And then you have your frame here. You can add it on top of your videos or whatever, but that is it basically. I'm just going to adjust this. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!